sessions and taken treatment from you. And it was a very beautiful speech, and it was very clear, sir. My question is because, sir, when I joined Sky Yoga and understood Maharshi's teachings, one thing was going in mind that how can a world peace happen? Because majority of the world, there is a lot of misunderstanding in the name of caste, creed, and corruption and war. And slowly, sir, because experiencing the current this one, now the corona pandemic, which has been happening internationally, I think we are somewhere near to the dream of our Maharshi that world peace will happen near in time, sir.
Definitely, when there is a destruction happens like this, there will be a lot of place to live for many people. This is a nature's law. It is not man's made. Through man's intelligence, we try to do something, and it ends up something. Nature gives for everything for the need of man, not for the greed of man. As the greed creeps in, this is what bound to happen as cause and effect system. So what Maharishi has predicted, until unless individual transformation happens, you cannot attain world peace through any world conference, let anybody else. So that's why a person of that caliber who have realized himself should lead the country. Then only it is possible. Not only one country throughout the, that is going to happen after this destructive force and all is wiped out from the universe. So that is what that transformation is going on. And in 150 years, Vedadari said, it can happen and it is bound to happen. There is no doubt about it. Whether we are able to see that, we are not, no. At least our generation, future generation can get this insight and they can experience it. Thank you very much for asking this wonderful question.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Be blessed by the events.
Thank you, Rakesh. Next, Mr. Rangaswamy, sir. You can unmute and talk. Professor Balachandra, sir.
Yes, sir. You are audible, Rangaswamy, sir.
Is Dr. Rangaswamy speaking or am I speaking?
He is not unmuted.
Sir, little louder. It's not audible, Rangaswamy, sir.
Sir Rangaswamy, sir, you can unmute and talk. Do you hear me? Maybe he's not able to unmute. Professor Balachandran, sir, you can talk.
Okay. Thank you, Dr. Ravidhan. It was an excellent speech. You gave even the history of evolution of consciousness in the human mind, right from the Vedic days, through the Siddhas, through all that. It was a wonderful speech.
Okay.
Also, you said that you gave so many points which many of us must have understood it so nicely because I put it so simply from different angles. I just wanted to add a couple of points to what you have been saying.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much.
Yeah. So Maharshi has been saying, especially in 2002, one of the latest poems which Swamiji wrote, he titles that Paramanu, and he says, both scientists and philosophers have left one thing in between.
Okay.
That there is divinity, absolute space, there is also wind. But in between, there is a stage which both of them in the research have left it out.
Okay.
இறைவெளிக்கும் விண்ணெளிக்கும் நடுவில் இரு துறைகளின் அறிஞர் விஞ்ஞானி தத்துவத்தார் உணர்ந்தார் சொன்னார் அது மிஸ் பண்ணிட்டாங்க. So now Swamiji is able to connect the scientist. He says, okay, you do meditation.
Okay.
This is a process, not your instruments. Instruments cannot go to that, as you said.
Yeah.
But if you meditate, that subject and object will become one.
Okay.
So what we have to tell the scientists is meditate and find out for yourself.
Yes.
Subject and object, exactly what you have been saying. Subject, object, consciousness becoming one. Similarly, to the religious leaders, we say, don't say just because the religious leaders said that. You get it in experience. So Swamiji is able to link all of them.
Yeah, yeah. No, the religious founder leaders have experienced, but the followers could not grasp it. That's what I said.
So
The followers could not grasp it. That's why the misconcept of God.
Correct. So instead of holding on to the stories only, he said to practice this.
Okay.
So then that is where a beautiful combination happens. One more thing, I think the previous speaker, the questioner, he said, how can we expect world peace? So Swamiji has said once that if humanity does not mend itself, universal might will teach a lesson. That is exactly what has happened through COVID.
Thank
Today,
you.
the whole world is thinking together as to how to come out of it. We are not
Okay.
talking about Western Bloc or Eastern Bloc, poor or rich countries.
Mm.
So what all the great masters could not do, coronavirus has done it.
Yes.
So this is the right time when everyone will start is thinking of a new way of life.
Thank you, sir.
If we can take it to scientists, if we can take to religious people, if we can take it to common man,
Okay.
world peace is not far off.
Thank you, sir.
Beautifully said. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Sir, this is Rangasamy from Hosur, no?
Yes, sir.
Your
Yeah.
voice exactly looks like our Professor Balachandran. I was
This is
taken.
Balachandra. This is Balachandra book.
Exactly. There's
Thank you,
no.
thank you.
Balachandra only
Thank
was
you, sir.
talking, yeah.
Now I have been unmuted. Let Balachandraya finishes, then I will come.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm over. Now the octogenarian, Dr. Rangaswamy will take over. He just had his 80th birthday
Oh,
yesterday.
this was Balachandra only, na?
Oh, yes.
Oh, sorry. Then okay. Okay. That's why the name was coming as Rangasamy, and his the voice was Balachandra's.
No, but
That's
Rangan
okay.
took it on form, you know.
We are speaking the same language, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Vedadri model of universe.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, you can ask your question.
Yeah,
Rangasamy sir.
there are no question, Professor Ravindran. It was an excellent journey. You have taken us through, the oldest of the old to the new philosophy, Vedadriya model of universe, journey of consciousness, quantum theory, what you are not left, witness consciousness, universal consciousness, and humanoid we are. And you have covered everything which your last 19 sessions I have been attending without fail. And you have summarized the whole 19. And I want to thank you especially. You haven't left anything from the cell division to universal consciousness. And thank you so much, sir. But when you have simplified the simplified way of putting forward the altruism and these philosophies of Maharishi, you have further simplified. I think the scientific community wants a difficult way of expressing this consciousness. Then only, even though Einstein has told that I am a blind fellow at the end of it, I am a lame fellow at the end of it, I have not understood the scientific philosophies of the various Maharishis. But that is the case. What is your opinion on presenting the same thing in a more difficult way to the scientific? Because they are always asking for the formula, evidence, and proof, and all that. Unless otherwise, this Western world is combining with this Eastern philosophy, there is going to be a gap. Of course, we will achieve, as you mentioned, that this corona is uniting the whole world. That there is no doubt about it. Everybody is at home praying for the nature's blessings. So we thank you very much, sir. And it was a great presentation, and we want to congratulate you and thank you for enlightening us. Thank you very much. Valha Valamudan. Be blessed by the divine.
Thank you for your observation. Here I want to quote something. I met a lot of scientists who are on the other side of the fence. That means from the science part, they could not realize what they are doing. But from the other part, they're like Dr. Bruce Lifton, Dr. Joe Dispenza, and Joe Biden. So like that, there are many scientists, they call themselves as a very minority in US. I met a lot of them. So a day will come, Swamiji will go, spiritual path will go into each of them. Only when scientists come to this side, what we have done through modern science is, I'm not complaining modern science. Whatever technology we have developed through modern science is the great scientific development. But when you ask empirical proof, that is the problem. For consciousness, empirical proof, you cannot get it. You cannot get it in the lab. The simple question you can ask is, how much you love your wife? Can you quantize in a lab how much you love? This is the way we have to tackle them. So you have to invite the scientists to our path, because all the religious leaders will not become a scientist. where scientist can become a spiritual person. So that bridge has been bridged by our Vedadari Maharishi, inviting all scientists. That is what the greatness of Vedadari. So there are scientists all over the world who are encouraging about this consciousness, and they themselves are telling we are in a small minority because of the system what we build in the science today as research, other things. Nobody is doing research on these aspects of the subject. So if they start releasing this energy, definitely. That's why I say spirituality is nothing but unsystematic way of probing the truth. Unsystematic way of
Thank you.
probing the truth, realizing and experiencing and cannot be documented. That is a simple text I have written.
Thank you. Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. I think Maharishi has written also that the entire world will come to not a standstill, but at peace only when all of them realize the unified force. In one sentence, he has given that. And that is what you have highlighted. Thank you so much, sir. I think there are many others are waiting.
Okay.
Thank you once again.
Thank you, Rangaswamy sir. You have given a wonderful answer yourself. Anyway, next, Ashish Kumar. Ashish Kumar, you can unmute and talk. You raised your hand. Ashish Kumar Sarkar, are you hearing me?
Ashish Kumar, we can see you. You are reflecting on the screen. Only your sound has to.
Yeah, now you can talk. Yeah. Now you have
Yes, yes.
please.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, yes,
Yes, sir.
please.
I am very comfortable in Hindi, not in Balak Chaudhary sir. Yeah, already here. That's why
बोल सकता है हिंदी में बोल सकता है
बोल सकते हैं
because
ना.
other people will not understand.
मैं सोचा था कि बोलूंगा नहीं, but
आप किधर
नीचे
से बात
निकल
कर
के
रहे
आया.
हैं? आप किधर से
मैं
बात कर
कलकत्ता
हैं?
मैं कलकत्ता से बात कर रहा हूँ. कलकत्ता से बात कर रहा हूँ. श्रीमती जी के अंदर से. तो एक आपने जो बताया कॉन्शियसनेस के बारे में, तो कॉन्शियसनेस और ट्रस्ट को क्या हम एक मान सकते हैं?
हाँ, consciousness?
और ट्रस्ट.
No, I couldn't hear you. Drug.
ट्रस्ट विश्वास.
Trust, sir.
Trust.
Vishwasam.
Trust. Okay.
Yes, yeah.
Okay. No, ऐसी बोल सकता नहीं. Trust is an inner feeling. Hope, belief. Hope and beliefs are two different things. Trust is what you experience it. What you experience through five senses. That you can call it as trust. But after that, the awareness you can call nearest to the trust. That awareness should be all 24 hours, 365 days. Trust is very near to truth, what you experience. That I don't think that we can call it as consciousness. That is one part of the consciousness. That's all. It is not the full consciousness.
हाँ.
Consciousness. One part.
अभी थोड़ा मेरे को क्लियर हुआ है बात को क्यों.
Yes.
हाँ,
one
पार्ट
part
कह
of
सकते हैं
consciousness
इसको आप
you can call.
एकदम.
Yes.
अच्छा, एक सवाल मेरा और भी है, काफी दिनों से था ये, मतलब
पूछो ना.
सही तरह से समझ नहीं पा रहा था, पर आज के डेट में काफी मशीन्स आ गई हैं, जैसे वो फिंगरप्रिंट्स देख के कुछ बता देते हैं, कुछ ओरा मशीन्स निकल गए हैं. तो मेरा कहने का मतलब ये है, जो हम लोग जो लेवल 1 लेवल 2 जो प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, तो हमारे अंदर भी तो चेंजेस आते हैं, और अंदर हुआ भी है, हमें पता भी चलता है जो हमारे अंदर कुछ चेंजेस हैं, पर हम लोग ये किसी को दिखा नहीं सकते. तो मेरा कहने का मतलब, क्या हम उन मशीन का मदद ले सकते हैं लोगों को विश्वास दिलाने के लिए, या हम अंदर से अभी बदल रहे हैं? हो सकता है हम खड़े नहीं हो पाए, पूरा पेड़ नहीं बन पाए. इट विल टेक टाइम. बट
बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन पूछा है. इट नीड्स अ लॉन्ग आंसर. वो मशीन में all this machine was built up by engineers. All these machines were built up by engineers. So your doctor need only a machine to express his ability of 10 years of medical knowledge. So this has been reduced to like that. अगर आपका बीपी अभी लेता है, इवनिंग लिया को तो चेंज होता है. Once the BP is 240 in the morning because you are stressed, when we give you a tablet, how can it work? I am not against medicine. I am against misuse of all these things. So the machine, they use it as a technique for you to put a label. So we have to be very careful. For that only, you have to be in awareness. Wonderful question, sir. This is a very big question, but I don't have time to speak more about it. But you have raised a wonderful question. Thank you.
मतलब मेरे को ये लगा मतलब आजकल इवन दो रेकी के क्लास में हालांकि मैं यूट्यूब से देख रहा था तो रेकी का क्लास चलता है तो मैं रेकी के क्लास के अंदर वो लोग कुछ फिंगरप्रिंट्स का वो लोग कुछ नया कोर्स चला था मेरे यहाँ पे भी कुछ MLM कंपनीज था वो लोग भी मुझे बोल रहे थे बट मैंने कहना मतलब है टेक्नोलॉजी मार्केट में आ रही है आ चुकी है क्या हम उनका मदद नहीं ले सकते क्या हम लोग हमारे अंदर
वो
बदलाव
ले
हो रहा
सकते हैं in emergency. That's all. There is somebody within you who is speaking always. Your father is speaking, your mother is speaking, your friend is speaking, your philosopher is speaking. But one person is missing. That is you. That is pure consciousness. So always when you are in aware, you will be able to experience that awareness, then nobody can influence you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Ashish Sarkar. Thank you so much.
थैंक यू सर सर कैसे हैं आप लोग सब
Sir, anyone else, anybody else would like to ask
Thank you.
questions? Yeah, I think that's all. So thank you all for your active.
Now two participants raise their hands. Something.
Oh, yeah, okay. No, it's
Tejaswini. Yeah.
yeah, Tejaswini. Tejaswini, you can unmute and talk.
Yes, ma, we could see you. Open.
Be blessed by the divine, sir.
Thank you. Be
Blessed by the divine, sir.
Thank you.
Please, go ahead.
Yes,
Yes, you can go ahead, madam. You can.
to dare you.
Sir,
Ask your question, please.
joining this.
I hear you.
So actually, we say by regular meditations,
Yeah.
by practicing regular meditation, we are able to travel, and also we are able to feel, get to the frequency of the space. We can, frequency of the space, and still we have to come back and live a normal life in our daily routine.
Yes.
In this way, it is a very big challenge for any practitioner or for any learner, and it becomes very difficult, to balance because the way the things are around us. Because the person who's practicing meditation, he knows what is happening within him and how he has to keep himself out. But the people who are surrounded by him, it's really a difficult, challenge. It's a big challenge for somebody to hold on it.
Yes.
And there's one more question from my side, sir, that, when I'm on the social media a bit often, and I
Yeah.
Ravindran sir on his active healing center, one of the patient, I've brought him to this place. And today, because of Ravindran sir, he had given one small tip. He was on medication for a very, very long time, but he gave a small tip. He said, self-healing is very, very important. Start healing, start giving positive thoughts on your own. Today, I could see a drastic improvement on that person. It's been 2 years now since he has met Ravindranath sir. And today, he started giving self-healing messages and positive thoughts to so many people, and he's helping all the people with the help. And today I should be very, very grateful to Ravindranath sir for helping one kind soul, and that soul is helping a lot of people on this aspect, sir. And now my question is, so when I'm on social media, Facebook, I'm onto some Kundalini Yoga, social media, to understand what people are, what kind of questions people are having and how people are taking Kundalini Yoga as, because from the day when I started my practice in Vedatriyam in 2001, the only question now, people ask me is, why Sky Yoga is free for people? Okay. And secondary, in social media, they get so many YouTube channels where they think that they can raise Kundalini on their own and start practicing it. This is the second question.
Okay.
Thirdly, sir, from Hyderabad, I got a call from one individual who said that he was able to raise his Kundalini, yoga through YouTube, And today he's stuck somewhere between Manipuraga Chakra.
Okay.
And now he is unable to, do the next process. So I only thing I guided him is to contact Sky Yoga Center nearby Hyderabad and contact one of the professor to guide him better. So, sir, these are 3 questions always in the mind, and always I keep asking in every session. People are always wondering why Sky Yoga is free and why it is run on the donation basis. Because the modern the yoga which is happening around the world, it's
Okay.
like you can see, we know that very well that they are charging huge amount just for the yoga trainer. My friend has got attended just for the physical exercise of yoga training.
Okay.
She has spent
Okay. Now
25,000.
I can answer all the 3 questions. Now you
Yes,
can
sir.
listen.
Thank you so much, sir. Be blessed by the divine, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Very kind of you. The first question is, what is happening around you? You cannot have a control. First, you have to put that thought into your mind. What is happening within you, you can have a control. Suppose if you meditate for 30 minutes, you should know how to live 23.5 hours with awareness within you. That is the only way you can do it. Because the society, it is very difficult to change the society until they change. So you can help them, that's all. So the first question, you need to come to the conclusion, what is happening within me, I can have a control. What is happening around me, no. You can just try, that is the first. Second one is, anybody is rising their kundali without getting initiated through a guru, they will land in problem. The thing is, what Swamiji has given is Tantra Yoga. What is Tantra Yoga? If you are rising your kundali, in the olden days, people were rising the kundali through pranayama, from Mooladhara to Swadhisthana, Manipur. It will take 14 years. That 14 years training has been brought down for 14 minutes by Swamiji's technique. But here we are given Santi Yoga. But all other sectors, a lot of people come to me who do a lot of other yoga. I don't want to mention the person name whom I met also. After rising, they get caught in the middle. So until and unless in Sky, you have a qualified master who teaches the Santi Yoga. So Santi Yoga is, so I request any one of you not to try on their own. Definitely you will land in problem, you try to address. Third thing you told, why it is taught free. Free means it is 250 rupees or what something we charge. It is free only because Maharishi want each and every person to attain mukti. Mukti means realization. For that, when we go on collecting huge amount, we build a corporate empire. That is what happening all over the world. Only in Vedadriyam, you don't have that corporate building. What our World Community Service has done is simplified in such a manner, any common man. For that, what other people can do after getting realization, you can donate that amount to World Community Service Center and seeing the progress. Swamiji could have earned millions by only saying his Kayakalpa. He did not do it. He did spirituality, education, and medical science is not for corporates and this one. But today what is happening? I'm very sorry to say this. So that's why we have to be very careful in your personal raising the kundalini by seeing this one is not advisable. They have to come to the Kendra. In case they have done, they are suffering, they can consult our professors or master and do Santi Yoga and this one and practice this meditation according to the instruction given by Swamiji. I have answered all the questions. Is there anything else?
No, there are.
Yes, sir.
Anybody else?
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
I think Dr. Balachandar want to talk something. Final, this one. He came on the screen. Yes, sir. Professor Balachandran, something you want to express. Great divine well. He was with Swamiji for a long time and he's hidden with so much of wisdom.
Professor Balachandar?
You want to conclude something, Professor Balachandran? Please
Okay.
now.
Okay, I think we can now slowly
Yes, sir. You can conclude.
close this question and answer session.
Okay.
So thank you all for your active participation on this event today. Now, we invite our senior professor, Dr. Ravindranath, Director R&D, WSC earlier, to deliver his vote of thanks. Over to you, Doctor.
Thank you. Dear friends, it has been a wonderful evening, and our Professor Ravindran has done the job very well. He has what he spoke has been repeated by the concluding remarks, by the MCs, and again by the participants. So it has been a nice exposition, and the consciousness has really come into everyone here now. And he has raised significant points in his speech about the balance between the compressive and the repulsive force. And the compressive force is what has been brought into by Maharishi, which was not there in the science. And if we take that compressive force into account, then we will have a breakthrough, and the science may become a different science. And I'm glad that you have brought this out. And the humanoid has been a terminology introduced in English, but in Tamil it has been there, Makkal. And I think the stimulus which you have given will work in our members, those who have been on the line and off the line. And I'm glad that our media people have brought this, all the proceedings, 18 of them, on the YouTube, and people can listen to it anytime they want. And it has been a nice evening with meditation and the Bahrain speaker, Edamurgu Sekar. He has given a nice introduction, and we thank both for them for that. And the concluding remark was again, it is a precise expression of what Ravindran said. She has further simplified. What Maharishi said has been simplified by Ravindran, and what Ravindran gave has been simplified by our. So it has been a very nice evening, and I think we will look for the next event next week. And, I think we are coming to the close of the English session, and soon we are going to start the same consciousness conclave in Tamil. Because of the popular request from the large number of WCC family members. And I request all of you to be ready for that. And your feedbacks have been very useful, but I want more number of feedbacks to strengthen our effort. And I thank you one and all for this wonderful evening, and the audience which have reached the century. And I thank you all and congratulate you for your patronization. Thank you very much. With this, we will move on to the
Be blessed by
Next
that.
item.
வாழ்க வளமுடன். Thank you, Doctor, for the vote of thanks. I am sure everyone would have enjoyed and inspired by today's talks. Please participate in all the events every week. Spread this word to all our friends. May every one of us have the blessings of Almighty and our Guru Vedatri Maharshi be with us always. May the whole world be blessed with the prosperity, happiness, and peace. வாழ்க வையகம், வாழ்க வளமுடன். Now, shall we move on to the World Welfare Song, sir? உலக நல வாழ்த்து.
உலகமெல்லாம் பருவமழை ஒத்தபடி பெய்யட்டும், உழவரெல்லாம் தானியத்தை உவப்புடனே பெருக்கட்டும், பல தொழில்கள் புரிகின்ற பாட்டாளி உயரட்டும், பகுத்துணர்வில் தொகுத்துணர்வே பண்பாட்டை உயர்த்தட்டும், கலகங்கள் போட்டி பகை கடந்தாட்சி நடக்கட்டும், கல்லாமை கடன் வறுமை களங்கங்கள் மறையட்டும், நலவாழ்வை அளிக்கும் மெய்ஞான ஒளி வீசட்டும், நம் கடமை அறவாழ்வின் நாட்டத்தே சிறக்கட்டும், நம் கடமை அறவாழ்வின் நாட்டத்தே சிறக்கட்டும். வாழ்க வையகம், வாழ்க வளமுடன், 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 வாழ்க வையகம், வாழ்க வளமுடன்.
Be blessed by the divine. See you all next week and stay safe. வாழ்க வளமுடன். Thank you so much.
By the way, I request the organizers to stay back for the meeting.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Sandhana Krishnan should stay back, eh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I can Come on, no? I can leave, no?
Dr. Janaki Raman, Professor Balachandar,
Okay, sir. Thank you.
others, Muthumani and others can stay back.